The triangulation of Itumbi's mobile phone signal tracked it to Kigwa Ridgeways, but he was not found there. The Hustler Nation therefore raised a hue and cry, following with thousands of Kenyans accordingly mobilized and did their part in searching for Itumbi and bringing his abduction to the attention of the media and of the government. For many terrifying hours, no one had any clue on Itumbi's whereabouts. At 11:22 p.m., David Itumbi, brother to Dennis Itumbi, received a call from a number belonging to a Mr. Makoka, a taxi driver who had found Itumbi limping in the Lucky Summer area near Kasarani Stadium. Itumbi was severely injured and in great pain, having been tortured at length as his abductors drove him around the city. He was eventually thrown out of the vehicle into a thicket and left for dead. He managed to crawl to the nearest road where he sought help from boda riders, and this is where Mr. Makoha recognized him and offered to help. A passing taxi driver recognized Itumbi in his state and found warm clothes for him, after which he was taken to the Ruaraka Uhai Neema Hospital in Kasarani for emergency first aid. Thereafter, Itumbi was evacuated to the Nairobi West Hospital, where he is admitted for further treatment. He has suffered extensive torture, including repeatedly battery of his limbs with a hammer, and sustained soft tissue injuries as well as fractures. A comprehensive medical report following a full examination of his injuries will be shared in due course. Itumbi has confirmed that his abductors took turns to beat him while warning him that the torture was revenge for his social media coverage of CS Fred Batiangi, PS Karanja Kibicho, the Inspector General of the Police Service Hilary Mutiambai, and DCI George Kinoti. They also questioned him on a post he made on Saturday 18th December 2021 on formation of a KRA team led by Sami Mushemi, ostensibly to harass business people associated with Deputy President William Ruto. In particular, the abductors, torturers emphatically demanded that Itumbi stop discussing Mr. David Mwendwa, son of the Inspector General of the National Police Service, who is under investigation following a road accident that claimed the lives of two boda riders. The criminal squad handcuffed him from behind and tied his legs with a rope. They told him he knew why they were arresting him upon his inquiry, and added he will know more when he would be interrogated by the boss, who he must support. On saying he would rather die than support anyone's cause by coercion, that is when the beatings and torture started. We thank the boda riders who first responded to Itumbi's distress with empathy and urgency, and the taxi driver who acted with selflessness and compassion, as well as the medics at Ruaraka, Uhai, Neema, and Nairobi West Hospital who have treated Itumbi.